Bird of Paradise pose, also known as Svarga Dvidasana. Starting from garland pose, Malasana, wrap your left arm around your back and the right arm under the right inner thigh, clasping hands together or using a strap if needed. Straighten your bent legs slightly, fixing your gaze at one point on the ground. Shift weight onto your left foot, maintaining a strong bend in your left leg as you slowly lift your right foot, rounding your spine. Completely straighten your left leg, lifting your gaze while keeping your right knee bent. Ensure your right knee is between your elbow and shoulder. Finally, straighten the right knee, raising your foot high into the air.